Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Real Will here with another trading video, guys. Listen, it's been 5 days, 5 days since I dropped my last video, guys. And the last video that I dropped, I forgot what type of video I dropped. To be honest, I was about to talk about it, but I don't even remember because it's been 5 days. But I was supposed to drop a video on Friday, and I didn't do it. I was in Ohio, but I listened to you all, and I made $250 that day. I believe that was on a Thursday with my Express Funded account, guys, and I'm going to show y'all that here in a bit. But what do I want to say to you all, man? Thank you for the support like I did. I think my last video was a thank you support video, whatever. But these past days has been very, very challenging, you know? Relationships, as a father, you know, just as a man, as an entrepreneur, as a provider. These last few days has been tough, and I stepped away from the charts because I had to realize that I have not been taking trading seriously. I've been gambling. And to be honest, trading sometimes cause your mind to just be fogged. You know what I mean? Like sometimes when you just think about trading so much, your brain is you're just going everywhere. You're not focused no more. And that's where I was at. I was in a dark place. Really in a dark place, man. And I'm still behind on a few bills. I'm getting my income up, you know. I'm considering, you know, changing jobs, but I'm planning on moving back to Ohio, which has been very, very stressful for me. There's going to be a new transition. That's my home. So it's just been a lot going on. In trading, I had to just step away because I did not want to blow my account, right? So let's get to the most important part. That's enough venting. I can vent all day if y'all want me to vent. I know how you feel, and thank you for caring for me. But let's get to the most important part where we talk about trading. Support and resistance is great, right? It's been great. But one thing I'm learning about support and resistance, I don't want to think. I don't want to think and say, "Oh, this is the correct zone. Oh, maybe this is the correct zone. Oh, hold on. There's a little zone on 15-minute time frame. Oh, hold on. There's a bigger zone." And I just sat back and thought these past days while I wasn't shooting videos. And I'm like, my system seems simple, but to me, there's a lot of thinking in this, and I don't want to think. So there's a new tool that I'm using, and I'm going to get into the video. I'm going to create another video. And it's using the VWAP, guys. Using the VWAP. This is a technical indicator that these banks use. And I've been looking at it and studying it these past few weeks. And I was back testing it. And I'm very, very surprised with the outcome. And I'm going to create another video after this on that outcome. And I did use that today. I did not use that the first time last week, but I did use it today because I was back testing all weekend. I'm talking about staying up till 3:30 in the morning, guys. And I love it. I love it. It stops me from overtrading. It stops me from looking for the perfect setup. There's a rules to it, you know? Maybe you can use it. Maybe it will help you. I don't know. But before I get to the charts, I do want to encourage you, man. Sometimes you do have to adjust your strategy to fit you. If you know that what you're doing is right, but what's happening is you're overtrading, you're doing certain things because support and resistance can cause you to overtrade a whole lot because you don't know which zone is correct, which zone is not correct. So you see a break, then you see a retest, then it breaks through, then come back and retest, and then come back. I don't got time for that. And that is what caused me to be inconsistent. So we're going to see how this new strategy goes. So let's hop straight into Top Step, Tradeovate, and I'm going to take you to the charts. Let's go. All right, so we are here at Top Step, guys. This is what I wanted to show you on Thursday and on Friday, but I didn't get a chance. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it was very emotional for myself, dealing with a lot of stuff, but we still here, we still fighting. This is the part of the journey. But I'm up $206, which is dope. But Thursday I was up 240. Best day was today, $289. $324 was the worst day. I'm on day 2 of 5 winning days. Let's take you down here. Started off zero balance on Wednesday. Didn't take a trade like the last time I got funded. It was dumb. But Thursday made $240. I listened to y'all. Once I made $240, I walked away, and that was it. NFP day came in $324. Lost that. That was my fault. Like I said, that's why I'm switching my strategy up a little bit, and not really depending on support and resistance, but more of which I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. And then today made it all back up with like $659 or something like that. But I was in negative, so total's $206, guys. Win rate 63%, way better. My risk to reward is normally 1.4, 1.5 right now, which is dope because I'm going for 1-and-1s, 1.12s, stuff like that. I'm not going for the 1-and-2s, 1-and-3s, and all that stuff. So, which is dope. Yeah. So I'm taking you to Tradevate. Like I said, today I made $659 total. That's taking away the negative. I took a total of trades. My total trades, winning trades was 8 contracts, 8 winning contracts. Total trades was 9, but you gonna see why it was 9. My worst day was $156 today. Worst trade. My longest trade was 100 or 1 hour. I'm tired, y'all. An hour and 43 minutes. My profitable trades was 66% today, which is dope. 66% win rate today with this new strategy that I'm using. All right, so over here, this is why I say I'm gonna stick to my 1 or 2 trades, but I was just trying to, catch some trades because I like this strategy. There's a lot of opportunity in it, so you gotta be careful because you want volume at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, 9 trades over here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see all these small ones, $7, $3. Those are trades I should never took. Only took 1 L, which at 145. So that is what you see right here. Now we're gonna take you to the charts. Let's start with oil. So oil, I made $170. That is the one I got in, I believe, at 10:30. It's 23. Man, I need to work on my military time. What's 23, guys? That's 10:30. My bad, guys. That is 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock, I got into this trade, guys. And this is the whole point of the strategy. VWAP. Break. You wait for 2 candles. It's the first candle, the second candle. When it come down, I could have aggressively got in because sometimes you have to get in aggressively. Put your stop loss like underneath this candle if you don't see no support and resistance 1-on-1s. So I would have won that one. But anyway, so I waited until it got closer back down. So I got in right around here. Got in right here. And it came down a little bit. So let me show you what happened. Let's replay that. All right, boom. We got a break. I would never get in on this trade because it continue up. Now, I could have got in this one when it came back down, but I didn't. Probably because I was not looking at the charts. So this was not here. That wasn't there. But because it broke and created a resistance, then I created it. Right? And once it got into this zone, right here, boom. I saw this. I said, I'm getting in. Stop loss is just going to be under here. Maybe if I went down to 5 minutes, I would have saw a little support level. But I got in 1-and-1. I'm like, okay. Took a minute. And boom, got it. That was my first trade. And I was up 170. I got out of that negative. But now, my first trade at like 741, which was this one. Let's get rid of these 2 real quick. My first trade was this. This was the loss, guys. I got in not off of a VWAP. I got off of the 3 hits of this trend line. So 1, 2, I got in right here. right? It started creeping up. And then it went up in profit a little bit, but I had this target to this zone right here. This was my target zone. This resistance was my profit. That was the newest high, so that's what I wanted. But it came back down strong. So I took an L on this one. So let me show you what happened. So I took an L on this one because of this. So remember, I got in down here. But, no, I got in right here. Well, I got in right here, but then it came down. And man, it was crazy. It was crazy. Because I think what happened was I got in, once it hit this trend line, I got in up here, but it creeped back down. But it never closed. That's what caused me to enter this first winning trade, and then I got in. So this trade, the second trade I got in, hopefully this makes sense. Probably don't. I waited for the VWAP. So I waited for 2 candles and a retracement back. So it would look like something like this. Break, came down, another candle, 2 candles, and came back somewhere in that area, then I got in. So let's show you. Let me show you. Second candle, right? First candle closed, second candle. Once it comes back down and pull back, pull back, that's when I got in. So I got in right here. Not right there, but shoot. I got in right here. Got in right there for that second trade. And then I created a support level or resistance. I'm tired, man. And then, anyway, I won. And then I just pretty much got out right here. It was like, it was over. So I hope y'all like this video. This was a long video, I know. And I will break down this strategy in another video by itself. I just wanted to show y'all what I was working on, why I didn't post these past couple days. It's grind time, guys. There's no more playing, man. We got kids to feed. We got wives and boyfriends and girlfriends and moms, and we got our debt to take care of. We got a lot of stuff. We cannot play no longer. We cannot be gamblers. It's time to take this trading serious as a business, and it's time for us to stop over leveraging and losing our accounts. And it starts with me, starts with you, and it's grind time, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.